So now after displaying these styles and other content, let's try to make the color changes in the app. So firstly, we are going to change the color of this app bar and then this button. After that, we are going to change the color of our chat message as well. So for example, when we are sending a message currently, the message got this default color. But now we are going to apply the same color which we got inside our app bar. So to do that, firstly, let's change the app bar color. So here we can set the background color property, and then you can use any color that you like. Like for example, we can use this deep orange accent color. So after changing it in the app bar, you can see the change here. And then we are going to use the same color for the send icon. So scroll down, and there you can see we got this purple. So apply this deep orange accent and then Ctrl S. So there you can see this color is applied, and now we want this style to be of same color. So to do that, inside our dash chat we can set a property called message options, and then here we can specify this message option object, and inside it we can specify a property related to current user container color, and here we can specify the same color. So colors dot deep orange accent. Now press Ctrl S, and there you can see we got the same color here, and it is looking better. Similarly, as we are building a health assistant, so we can change the title here to like AI doctor, and then if you want we can also display that doctor image to the left side. So to do that, we can set a leading property here, and then here we can use this image.assets, and then specify assets / doctor.png, and then here for this image we can set a height of like 40, and then press Ctrl S. So there you can see now the robot is again visible here, and our GUI is collectively looking much better. Similarly, in the next lectures, when we are going to build another chatbot, we are going to make these minor colors to have a completely different look for our chatbot. But before that, we are going to make another enhancement inside this chatbot, and that is when we are sending our query to chatbot, then we have to wait for 1 or 2 seconds. So meanwhile, we are going to display a typing animation here so that it can enhance user experience of our chatbot application. So we are going to do these things inside our next lecture. So see you in the next lecture.